but I did get her these for some jittery nerve removers. Just take a couple shots, girl, and you'll feel great. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I am putting together this bridal shower gift basket. So if you have a bridal shower coming up and you need some bridal shower ideas, this will be one of them that you can use. Let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know that throughout this video, I'm going to be saying super cute about 1,000 times. I have no idea why I said it 1,000 times, but I did. Obviously, I think this stuff is super cute. So let's carry on. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is kind of show you guys what is going to be in the gift basket, and then I'll show you me putting the gift basket together, of course. So I'm going to a bridal shower this weekend. Actually, it's tomorrow, and I am putting together a gift basket. So I was like, I don't want to give her a gift card because a gift card is just like, oh, here you go, here's a gift card. I wanted to give her something that I kind of like actually thought out, and I was thinking about her. And I just think those are like always better. I mean, gift cards are good, but when you can do like a gift basket or something personalized or something like that, it's just always 10 times better. The first thing that I got for her was this what does it say? You got this, girl. I thought this was super cute. It is like a mug you can use for like your tea, coffee, drinks, anything you want to use. It's glass, very durable, and it is microwave and dishwasher safe. It is super cute, guys. It's marbleized. It's marble, I don't know. It's marble, is that what you would say? And it says, and it's marble, and it has this, you got this girl in gold in the front, and I thought it was super cute. Also, like, you got this, girl. You can do it. You're nervous. Your day of, I was nervous. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to trip or anything because my wedding was outside. Like, you have just some nerves and you're jittery, and I just thought this was super cute to say, you got this, girl. You got it. You're marrying the man of your dreams. You got it. So I thought this was super cute. All right, and it was only about like $5. Super cute. The next thing I got was this cute picture frame. It's not a picture frame, a decorative plaque. And it says Our Nest. I thought it was super cute. It has like the wooden accent, so it's like a really rustic. And I'm kind of, as you can see when I'm taking stuff out, I'm trying to stick with the theme here. So black, gold, pink, stuff like that. So there we go, white. So I thought this was super cute. They can have this for later on in their home. Another thing I got for her were these masks. So I thought this would be super cute because she can kind of pamper herself the day before, the day of, and she can do some of these masks. So the first mask I got was this peel and go 2-step mask, and then I got this hydrogel mask. It's black charcoal, and you know, I thought these would be super cute for her to use. I've never used them before, but I hear that they are pretty good. So I just picked these up for her. And again, we're going with the black theme. And I'm just gonna put the pink one in front of the black one so it can stick with our black and white and pink theme. Okay, so the next thing I got for her was this mascara bag. I thought it was super cute. The day of, she can put like her keys, her jewelry, some makeup, contact lenses, anything like that. She can put it in this bag. It is super cute. It's like a canvas material. And trust me, this is something that you would need because I lost some jewelry on the day of my wedding and I never found it. And if I would have had something like this would have been perfect. So I got that for her. Another thing that I got was this journal. It says hello. I thought this would be super cute for her to like just write things up until the day of her wedding. She can do to-do lists. She can do a lot of stuff. You can do a lot of stuff with a journal. So I thought this would be super cute for her to have to document some things with. And also the hello part goes with the basket that I picked up that I'm gonna put everything in. The next thing I got was this pack of journals. My camera cut off. got these, so she can use these, and I'm gonna just put them with this book. And then I'm not gonna use this hot pink one because this pink is too pink, and I'm just gonna reuse the twine that came with this and the tag, and I'm gonna just stack the 3 of these together. Let's see, the next thing I got for her is this shower balm. I've never seen a shower balm before. I've always seen bath bombs, so I'm not quite sure how this works, but of course I got it because it goes with our pink and gold theme, and of course it will go with her relaxation method the day before her wedding or the day of, and she can just use both of these things together, and I thought that was perfect. All right, and the last thing that I got were these little Kinky Bottles. They're pink, so cute. I'm thinking I might do some gold tops using maybe this marker, because I was gonna spray paint, but I was like, no, I'll get it all over the place. So I might do it with this marker. This marker works really well, just so it can kind of stick with our theme, which it still does because it's pink and white, so I don't know, but I did get her these for some jittery nerve removers. Just take a couple shots, girl, and you'll feel great. So I did get this as well, this little tea light thing. So I was thinking I can use this, and I was gonna put little notes and sayings and stuff for her in there, like date night ideas, some of my advice, because I've been married for 2 years now. I mean, I'm not like, so I don't know that much. I haven't been married for like 40 years, but I know a little bit of something. So I was gonna put some of those type of things in here for her. Probably maybe turn this gold too, so to kind of go with our theme, but this might be something that I use as well. And then she can have like a tea light thing for her wherever she wants to put it, in her bathroom, in her room. I got this wire basket. It's not all the way gold, it's like a coppery color, but it's super cute, durable basket that she can use later on. I got this from Walmart and it was only $2.78. So that was amazing. I was really shocked. I was like, this is $2.78. So I definitely got this, and I'm gonna put everything inside of it. And then I got these little letters, which I thought was so cute, because I could not find anything that said Miss, Wifey, or anything. Like, I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Ross, I went to Marshalls, all the places that normally have cute stuff like that, and I did not see anything. So I just got these wooden letters. So I got this is actually a W because they didn't have the M, but we're using it as an M. So I got these letters. So I got the M, R, and S. So it's gonna say Miss. And I'm just gonna put that in the front here on this basket. And then I have this tissue paper, which I got from the Dollar Tree. I've already opened it because I was gonna use this for a different DIY, and I changed my mind, so I never used it, but got this from the Dollar Tree. Super cute. You would not think that this came from the Dollar Tree, especially this. It just looks amazing. And what's amazing is it matches this basket to a T. So I'm just gonna use this, you know, to kind of fluff everything up. And I also do have some white tissue paper so I can make it a little bit fluffier before I actually put this on, because of course this isn't enough for that. And then I got this cellophane, however you say these bags, whatever. They're plastic bags. I got them from the DT. And they were only $1, so we're gonna be using that to wrap everything together. Hopefully it comes out looking good, because if it doesn't, then I'm not gonna use it and I'll just figure something else out. But we're gonna be using this as well. So that's everything that I got for this basket. So let's put it together. This is the card that I picked up to put into her basket. I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I thought this was so cute. Alright, so this clear wrap was not working for me. I mean, it looks good, but I thought it was the wrap that if you take your blow dryer and blow dry it, it gets tight, but it's not. I guess it's just regular plastic. So it does look cute like this, so you could definitely do this, but I ended up using the ribbon and I just tied it around 2 ends to create a handle.